Hey, so this is Junior from Junior Designs, and I am back at it again with another mirror painting. This time, I am gonna take you through step by step as to how I complete this painting. The first time around, it was a big challenge, I gotta say. I've never painted on a mirror. It was a lot difficult than I imagined. I didn't encounter any of those problems before ever painting on wood or on canvases, but of course painting on a mirror is gonna be a lot slick and a lot smoother, so you have to work around it. And this time I'm gonna take you through step by step as to how I complete this painting, and I wanna show you how so that you can be prepared when you paint on your mirror. Besides getting your mirror and all your materials, you're gonna need your design. Your design is gonna allow you to create whatever it is that you want. You can create it using any type of tools you like. Some people prefer drawing rather than digital arts. I love digital arts rather because it's just so seamless and it helps me so much, especially when I'm producing something at a larger scale and wanting to amplify it. So with this one, I already have my design. I put it in place. I actually used the projector to project it onto the mirror, and that was wonderful. It helped me out so much. But make sure you get those things laid out first before you go ahead and start the journey of painting. So second step is make sure you have a proper primer. Your primer is gonna allow the paint to stick to the mirror. If you don't have a primer, the paint is either gonna crack off, fall right off, or it just won't adhere. And I dealt with so many frustrations. If you saw my first video, I use a 1-2-3 bullseye primer, and it's a gray one. And the reason why I picked the gray one is because the gray allows rich colors to adhere to it a lot better. If you pick the white one, you can definitely do so, but it's gonna be a lot lighter colors. So I'm actually noticing paint peeling off as I apply the primer. So the paint that I have here, like the blues and the purples, some of it is actually peeling off as I apply the primer to it because there's no primer underneath it. So when you ask, do I actually need a primer or can I get away with it? This is like proof that you probably shouldn't do that. Like this paint, I'm a little nervous about this, to be honest, because it has no primer and I'm not gonna apply a sealant over this because it's a mirror. So sometimes you gotta like double think about your projects and make sure that you have the right applications, because if you don't, stuff like this can happen and then you worry for the rest of your life, like me. So don't be me. So third step is making sure you have your paint. So for the past 2 years, I've worked with Liquitex paint, and Liquitex has been great. They have really supported me in my paintings and what I wanted to do. But as my business is growing and I'm becoming a better artist, I want to upgrade my paints and use more quality paints like golden acrylics. Now, I love golden acrylics because it worked wonders in the last project that I just did, and a little goes like very far. So the coverage that you get with golden acrylics really helps you in tremendous ways. And I loved Liquitex, but it was time to move on and it's time for my business to grow, and I definitely want to hit quality paints. So make sure you get your paints, make sure that you pick a good brand. It doesn't have to be golden acrylics because golden acrylics is very expensive. You can use Liquitex or anything else. Just make sure you have something that's gonna do you right for your project and within your budget. So this definitely is not a part of the steps, but I need a break and it's a part of the process. So I'm about to go play some basketball, ride my bike to the park, and shoot some hoops and just get my mind off this painting. Because I've been working way too hard and we all need some breaks from time to time, right? So your next step is taking pictures of the mirror. Now, what's so difficult about taking a picture of a mirror is that you see its reflection. And with it, wherever you go, you can take one outside, you can take one indoors, you will always see the surrounding objects. But I came up with this idea. So what I've done is I found a white wall, which I have here in my master bedroom, and it is extremely white, perfectly tall, everything I need. And what I do is I take these lights and project white lights to bounce off of the wall. And I then take my camera phone and I have a phone holder holding it. And as I'm holding it, I am clicking away with my Bluetooth clicker to take the photo. And all you see is the reflection of the camera and the camera holder. It is perfect because I can just remove that with Photoshop. So this is how I do it. If you know of a better way to take pictures of your mirror without showing its reflection, please let me know how you do it. I would love to see it in the comments, or email me, send me a message, find me somewhere and let me know, because this is a great tool. Can I introduce you to my
Babe, I'm wearing my pajamas.
So what?
No.
Oh, let me introduce you. So this is my partner, Keener. You want to say hi?
Hi.
This is my camera person. So whenever you see a camera moving, or it's like you think it's floating, it's her. This is it. She's great. She's actually been doing a better job than she was in the beginning, because I was about to fire you. I was about to fire you many times.
It's free services anyway, so.
Yeah. She is great at taking photos now. She's getting better every single day in the School of Junior Designs. I'm teaching her a lot. She's learning a lot, and I think she's a little more enthusiastic about doing it now. So, here we go. Oh, I don't want any of that.
Up higher. Babe, it's not easy.
I don't think it's that hard.
Then you do it yourself. It's hard. You don't understand. You're holding it like this.
Do you see what I have to deal with?
It's way harder, like, because we have all these moldings and everything, and you hold it lopsided.
Okay.
No, up. You have to lift it up. Because clearly that is there. Okay, and you're mad crooked.
Direct me. Don't yell at me.
Tilt it towards the bed. No, tilt it. Babe, lift it up.
Okay. And there you have it, a mirror painting. It's really not that difficult once you get the hang of it, especially if you know the steps. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Comment below if I should have added more steps, or if you feel confused as to how I could have bettered my process to show you for future videos.